Social media has revolutionized the way businesses connect with their audience. It's no longer a question of whether to engage in social media marketing, but how to do it effectively. Ignoring this dynamic landscape means missing out on valuable opportunities to build brand awareness and drive sales. This essay serves as your guide to navigating social media marketing. We'll delve into strategies for leveraging major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Understanding each platform's strengths is key to a successful strategy. Social media is about building relationships and engaging in meaningful conversations. Facebook remains a dominant force in the social media landscape. With its massive user base and diverse demographics, it offers unparalleled reach for businesses of all sizes. The key to success on Facebook lies in building a thriving community around your brand. Start by creating a compelling Facebook business page that accurately represents your brand identity. Post regularly and provide value to your audience through engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes glimpses, industry insights, and exclusive promotions. Encourage interaction by asking questions, responding to comments, and running contests. Facebook groups are another powerful tool for building community. Creating a group around your niche allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, share valuable information, and foster a sense of belonging. Remember, consistency is key on Facebook. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and stay active in your community to build a loyal following. Instagram is the platform for visual storytelling. Showcase your brand's personality and connect emotionally with high-quality images and videos. Create a visually stunning feed that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Use a consistent color palette and engaging videos to capture attention. Share behind-the-scenes content and run polls to engage your audience. Hashtags are crucial for discoverability. Showcase the human side of your brand and share genuine stories. Section 4. Twitter, microblogging for maximum impact. Twitter is the platform for real-time conversations and breaking news. Its fast-paced nature makes it ideal for sharing quick updates, engaging in discussions, and connecting with your audience in a more informal setting. Craft concise and engaging tweets that provide value to your followers. Use relevant hashtags to increase your reach, and participate in trending conversations to stay top of mind. Twitter chats are a great way to connect with industry leaders and potential customers. Customer service is crucial on Twitter. Respond to tweets and direct messages promptly and professionally to build trust and loyalty. Remember, Twitter is all about engagement. Join conversations, share your insights, and connect with your audience in real time. Section 5. LinkedIn, professional networking and business growth. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to connect with industry professionals, potential clients, and future employees. Create a comprehensive LinkedIn company page that showcases your brand's story, mission, and values. Share industry insights, company news, and job postings to attract top talent. Engage with your network by participating in relevant groups, commenting on posts, and sharing valuable content. LinkedIn is also an effective platform for thought leadership. Publishing articles on LinkedIn Pulse allows you to showcase your expertise, share your insights, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Remember, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. Maintain a professional tone, engage in meaningful conversations, and build relationships that can benefit your business. Section 6. Emerging platforms, TikTok, Pinterest, and beyond. The social media landscape is constantly evolving, with new platforms emerging and gaining popularity. TikTok, with its short-form videos and highly engaged user base, has taken the world by storm. Pinterest, with its focus on visual inspiration and product discovery, is another platform with immense potential for businesses. When exploring emerging platforms, it's important to understand your target audience and their platform preferences. Experiment with different content formats, engage with your audience, and track your results to determine which platforms are worth investing in. Remember, social media marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Tailor your strategy to each platform, experiment with different tactics, and constantly adapt to the ever-changing landscape to stay ahead of the curve.